So what we're going to do is we are actually going to help out the roots a little bit. We're going to sort of massage we're not going to do it too hard, but we're going to massage sort of the soil that just kind of readily comes off.
Yeah, and basically you want to prevent the roots that are circling from continue to circle, because you want them to spread out, not to continue to wrap around. So I'm just like finding the ends and like loosening them a little bit. You can definitely see it on those impatiens neons, and that'll just help them root out. I know it's my favorite thing to say.
I can't. Okay. Okay, so, and you may find, now let's talk about this for a second. What do you suggest if someone brings, because you know we've all done it, we've bought a plant from a local plant shop or you know wherever, and we get it home and we're doing this and we see some potential root rot or some roots that are black or brown or mushy. What is the best thing to do when we see that? Do we want to cut it off? Do we want to?
Yeah, if it's brown or mushy and it has you need to trim it up, I would trim it up and use sharp clippers to trim off anything that's dead.
Yeah, just make sure they're clean and cool.
So once you've loosened your ball, you're going to place it in your pot and then you're going to backfill with soil.
Yeah.
Right?
So it's time to get in.
So this is where I find it very important to not pack the soil in.
Mm-hmm.
You want to like lightly throw it in and let it settle. And when you water the plant, the water will do its job by settling the soil and the pumice and making it feel very even.
We've all done that where we've watered a plant and it stays in the top like 1 inch of the, like it doesn't even drain and it's like, what's going on?
So it's compacted soil. I like to do a little tap to kind of shake the soil into place. And then you're right, you always want a little bit of a lip at the top so there's a place for the water to pool before it goes down.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be mounding up over the pot. You just want like a slight like 1/2 inch to 1 inch in the pot. A lot of pots kind of show you the rim anyways, and you always want to keep the soil line below that.
Yeah.